This is Prizm NFL 13281. Maybe that'll be our first live episode. Let's do this thing. Good luck to all. Yes, Prizm, all of Prizm NFL will be first. Oh, jeez, copy out. IP address is bad. 5 times, here we go. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is Packers. 5 times packing on top, just like me. Got a big head. Green Bay, Leone, congratulations. Is there patch autos in this? Why does this pack look so thick? 13281, here we go. It didn't look thick at all, actually. Brilliance, Waddle. A little optical illusion. Garrett Wilson, number 2, 175. Bell Brisker. There is patch autos. Silver, Brilliance, Tom Brady. That's a really nice card. Michael Vick. He has been everywhere lately. 81 of 99. Michael Vick. Purdy Wilson. I didn't even say a real word. Williams. Jameson Williams. Purple People Eater Fireworks. Devontae Adams for the Raiders, number 249. And a purple Kyle Phillips for the Titans, number 2, 125. Jahan Dotson, Stinkley Duna. Will we see a Caliber? Silver, Rashawn Gary. Orange, Tony Pollard. Number 249. Alontae Taylor, Malcolm Rodriguez. Silver, Jameis Winston. 249. Franchise Legends, Fred Taylor for the Jaguars. Purple People Eater. Very nice. Drake London, Ikema Konwu. Purple Auto, Fred Taylor, Franchise Legends for the Jags. Silver, Danny Gray. Jalen Hurts. Number 2, 175. Tarek Woolen, Carson Strong. Let me see what you got. Hype, Mika Parsons. Purple People Eater of Xavier McKinney. Number 249. Spiller, Logan Hall. Oh, manga as well. Jeez. Silver, Fred Warner, touchdown for the 49ers. And to 49, Jalen Hurts, number 225, Ferguson, Zamir White. More Fred than young adults YouTube playlist. Oh, 1,500 points. Silver, Trey Hendrickson, 0. Just some rookies, Trey Anderson, Pacheco. New recruits, Jahan Dotson. Orange, Fred Warner for the 49ers, number 249. Signed, Dobbs. Silver, new recruits, Malik Willis. LA Purple, Braxton Berrios, number 2, 125. Devin Lloyd, Jerrylyn Talbot. And Green Scope, Daniel Hunter, number 275, Austin Jack Jones. Here we go, we're going to randomise one more time. Whichever team is on top after this one more spin will win the points. Here we go. It says 5, it'll say 6. The winner is the Ravens. Congrats, Ravens, 6 times. Did I drop my texter? Oh, Elgato, be kidding me. No, the Ravens in that one. The old squid's not going to let me leave. That's probably another kiss, to be honest. By a young guy answer. Yeah, we kind of discussed this. If Clint's here, or he might be over on Cherry Footy, Dale was kind of talking about it earlier. Magda was scared. I did insinuate to Magda that Clint wanted to beat him up. Geez, get me in there next and I will stoke the flame. Hey Magda, remember what you said? Hey Maggie, remember when you said this? Oh Magoo. Oh, stomach is loud grumbling. Oh, yes. You can say neon. No, I'm all good. I actually have a lot of food in the fridge. I have yesterday's dinner. Dale, but I got hot, and I can handle hot food, and so can Dale for what it's worth. It was like eating fly spray, is how Dale put it, and he's correct. That's exactly how it was. All right, speaking of claim, this is one that Mr. Ken I just claimed. He said, can I take all these spots? And we said, yes, you can, I guess.